So this is the NEXTDIGITRON parking monitor backup kit, USB based. You don't have to do any hard wiring. You just have to plug into the USB port to achieve the parking monitor. I got this thing for 1,900 rupees, and inside that you will find this, which is 2500 mAh USB based. So one end goes to the power bank just to demonstrate the working, and the other one goes to the dash cam. This is 500A dual dash cam, so I have two dash cam connected. So what you have to do is to go to setting, first go to video settings, and then come down to parking surveillance, and then you can select the surveillance here. Like I have set it to on high sensitivity, and then you can come down and go to system setting, and then come down and enable the parking monitor. Okay, so you can connect from your phone and you can enable the parking monitor from the setting. And just to demonstrate, let me cut the power. So now power is not connected.
Enter parking surveillance mode after 5 minutes.
Yeah, so I have set it to 5 minutes, and if you want you can set the timer there. So it works as per the description, and it can let you achieve time lapse as well in parking surveillance. That's all in this video.